In this video, I'll be going over correlation in statistics. So unlike the previous measures that we did, this one is a bit more difficult to explain and calculate. And so generally, we'll be automating the calculation of correlation. There is a way, if you've taken advanced algebra or honors advanced algebra, you may remember root mean square error, and that's a way of calculating correlation. But in simple terms, let's say we have a graph like this, and we had data that looks somewhat like this. So in this case, if we wanted to draw a correlation, we could say, there's a general positive trend. So you could draw a line somewhat like this. And, we'd say that there's a positive correlation because the data does have a clear trend and we're able to estimate that trend. Similarly, if we just took all of this and then rotated it like that, then it has a very clear negative correlation. But let's say, for example, we had a data set that looks somewhat more like this. Right? There's really no clear correlation. You could draw something like this, I guess. Just because that's sort of the only trend there is. And that may be the correlation, but as the data set becomes bigger and more randomized, there tends to be less correlation. And so that's a really brief topical explanation of correlation, but you'll be understanding and really learning as you go throughout this year, as you start implementing models and things like that. When you're looking for accuracy, you're effectively looking for correlation. So I hope this video was helpful, and see you next time.